product, it's going to charge more. There's going to be more duty on it.
Right.
So again, it's easier if you bring in everything in parts and then you just fill it over here or assemble it over here.
Yeah, but the fill-in for a cosmetic business is just like finished product, but just like you put it in a final package.
You get a tube or anything, and then you put the product inside. And it could also be formulation months of the whole cycle.
Process.
Yeah, of the whole cycle. So procuring the raw material, let's say in Morocco, shipping them is going to take 2 months, 60 odd days till we get here. Then we'll do our tests, then we'll do sampling, then once the sample is confirmed from your end, then we do the physical testing to see if the product's okay, if there are any licenses that we need to get, if there's anything that we need to get tested in terms of...
This has brown sugar and it has apricot shell, you know, the almond of apricot, the inside. So, come on, Jean. Jeremy, comment dit noyau. I'm like lost in the English word. You know the inside of the apricot? What do we call it? Comment dit noyau? What is it in English?
The seed inside.
Yeah, I know the seed.
Yeah.
So it has apricot, one, and it has also almond shells. Not almond, sorry, argan shells.
Okay.
So it's a mix because argan, they are a little bit too harsh on the skin. So we mix it. We mixed it, as I told you, to introduce like the ritual of Hammam. And it's good that I brought this. This is actually from a Turkish friend who is buying the whole set. But it's good that I can show you the final packaging. So this is the real product that's going to be sold. So this is the minimum
So
we have to go for. Minimum
standards.
standards.
Similar type of packaging.
I mean, we
Exactly the same packaging.
No, not
similar-
necessarily. But I need something that has to look premium, definitely.
Yeah.
You can open
Is
it.
this charcoal?
No, it's made out of the leftover of olive paste. So when we make the olive oil, the leftover is transformed to soap. And this is a traditional soap that has been used for centuries in Morocco. It's helped the skin to exfoliate, so remove all the dead skin. I think it's a product that you have never seen.
Yeah,